Oh.
Tell me when I'm out.
We want to know. What? Was Craig?
Yeah, I'll be too old to sing.
Craig?
Jesus Christ, let's go. Holy shit, let's go on, boy. Look,
Ladies and gentlemen, Dean Martin.
D-E-A-N-T.
I get no kick from champagne. Mere alcohol, it don't thrill me at all. So tell me why should it be true that I get a kick out of you?
Tell us all about it, tell us all about it.
Some like the perfume from Spain. I'm sure that if I took even one sniff, it would bore me terrifically too. Yet I get a kick out of you.
You're a hick, you're a hick.
I get a kick every time I see you standing there before me. I get a kick, though it's clear to see you obviously don't adore me.
Me too, me too.
I get no kick in a plane flying too high with some gal in the sky is my idea of nothing to do. Yeah, but I get a kick out of you.
That's because you give us a kick. You give us a boost. I get a kick out of you.
Kick, boot, boot, kick. Hey, hi, everybody. Hello, everybody. Good to see you. You know, it's just a couple days now to New Year's, and I've made my New Year's resolution. I'm going on the wagon. I'm cutting down to just one short one in the evening, so if there's a short lady in the audience... But really... but seriously, folks, let me give you a word of advice. If you're going to be driving New Year's Eve, remember, there's always a lot of drunks on the road, so please be careful and don't run over us. Well, I gotta go get ready for the night. Where do you want the Italian? This way?
Oh, okay, next one. Roll it. Bring it in, Charlie.